this is an important conversation for a lot of LinkedIn members. How do you show your education on your LinkedIn profile if you didn't complete school? Whatever that means, whether you just stopped, you dropped out, or you flunked it. How do you put that, and should you put that on your LinkedIn profile? Now, before this video ends, I'm going to show you how to actually enter that in, but let me explain to you what my suggestions are for your your education section. And that is to show on your LinkedIn profile. Let me scroll down here to my section, right down here, education. If you in fact went to that school and if you got even the smallest amount of value from that experience, I would put it in your education section. Now, this doesn't say that you completed school. This doesn't say that you got a degree. It also doesn't say you flunked out. But if you went to a university and you studied anything there, and again, you got any kind of value from it, there's nothing wrong with putting it in your education section and listing the school and listing what you studied. I would absolutely not spend any time doing anything to tell anyone on your LinkedIn profile or beyond. I would not even come near a discussion about flunking out of college, failing college, or not completing college. Only focus on what you can do, what you have done, your accomplishments, and what you have learned along the way, no matter where you learned it, no matter where you grew. Now, how do you put that on your LinkedIn profile? Right here. Go to your LinkedIn profile, go to the education section. If you don't have that there, click add profile section, go to recommended, under core, and go to add education. And you can add a new education entry to your LinkedIn profile. Broadcast it or not. But note what you have to put on here. You have to put the name of the school. And then here's what you could also do. You don't need to put a degree. There's no asterisk beside that. You don't need to put a field of study. There's no asterisk beside that. I like to put the word business for me because that is relevant to what I intended to do and relevant to what I do today. You don't need to put a start month or a year. You don't need to put an end date or a year. And you don't need to put your grade, activities, or anything in the description. All you have to put is, if you want to put any entry, is the university or the school name. I recommend field of study to show some relevance of what you did get or what you intended to get from that experience. And then you simply hit save. And then you'll see that you have the school and the field of study on your LinkedIn profile. Again, I reiterate, you do not need to tell anyone that you flunked out of, failed, or did not complete your university study. If you want to reference the university you went to, put it on your LinkedIn profile and maybe put the field of study. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist and advisor, and I hope this is helpful for you. By the way, if you like these videos that I create for you, consider one of two ideas. Either become a member on this YouTube channel where I'm going to start sharing private content to my members, rich content to my members, or consider subscribing to my Quora space called LinkedIn Professionals, where I also answer questions there before I answer them for anyone else. And I can promise you, you'll get a whole lot more great content, great ideas, and value from what I share. Thank you.